When a big fish strikes, it's already too late to find out how good your knot really is. In the critical moment, it's not your gear that matters. It's your knot. When a trophy fish hits, there's no room for mistakes. That's why experienced anglers trust this knot. Strong, reliable. Whether you're tying a hook, a swivel, snap, or a snap swivel, this is the knot you can trust when it matters most.